Hello everybody, this is Devi Nyanashekar. I'm a certified NLP practitioner and a hypnotherapist. I do work with a vision to inspire millions of people and to bring out the best version of everyone. Well, have you ever noticed when you're traveling to some hilly area, hill stations or some greenery area, what happens? The green color makes you so happy, excited, cool and comfortable, right? Whereas the irony, when you're in a traffic light, when you're seeing the red color, what happens? Immediately your mood switch off, right? And you become so discomfortable and you become stressed. You want to come out and you want to see the green color, right? What is the reason for this effect of this green and red? Psychologists say this impact of colors on our mood, feel, thought and emotion is called the color psychology. Want to know more about it? Come on. Let's go into the video. In this video, we are going to see about the colors, the color psychology, the neuroscience behind the impact of colors on us and the application of color psychology. Colors, the simple phenomena of reflection of light, but has a marvelous effect on us and gives a great treat to our eyes. It makes a world awesome to live in. Just think of all God's creation around us, maybe plants, trees, birds or animals, each one unique of its kind, diverse and colorful. Well, colors attract our attention and in fact each shade impacts us differently. For instance, color influences our taste. Color of clothing decides how we perceive others. Let's see the reason for these impacts and influences. Swiss psychologist Carl Jung studied the effects of color on human beings and arrived on the concept of color psychology and color therapy. Now, let us see the neuroscience behind the color psychology. Studies reveals that when our eyes connect with the colors, the brain releases a chemical that impacts our physical and emotional state. For instance, seeing a yellow color tends to stimulate the secretion of serotonin, a feel-good chemical in our brain. Thus, we have a good happy feel when we are in a yellow surrounding. Now, let us see the application of color psychology. The first application is to heal the body. Several ancient cultures like Egyptians and Chinese used the colors to heal the body, and this type of healing is called chromotherapy or light therapy. Till date, this treatment is used as an alternate treatment. For instance, in chromotherapy, the color red is used to stimulate the body and mind and to increase the circulation. And yellow color is believed to stimulate the nerves and purify the body, and so on. And the second application is to increase one's memory and attention. A study was conducted wherein color and non-color multimedia presentation was compared on memory performance. It was reported that the colored presentation resulted in better attention than the non-colored presentation. Thus, we can conclude that colors tend to increase our attention level and thus helps in memorizing things easier. The third important application is in the field of marketing. Business use color psychology in marketing and advertisement to increase their brand identity and for customer targeting. Marketers conduct study on how customers perceive different color, and based on the audience color preference, business changes their branding and strategy to reach out to the targeted audiences. Finally, the color psychology finds its application on our behavior, performance and productivity. Studies reveals that students who were placed in red colored room before their exam performed lower when compared to the students who were placed in the blue colored room. Many researchers proves that color in the workplace affect our decision making, productivity and creativity. This is the reason why many big corporates painted very colorful. In fact, studies proves that more good decisions are made in yellow or blue colored rooms. Thus, to summarize, we can say that the influence of color may be unconscious, but it is very effective. If properly used, colors can help us to innovate and reach our goals. We are perceived by the color of the clothing we wear. Hence, carefully pick up the color of your clothing in the way you want to be perceived. And choose the workplace surrounding in such a way that you feel comfortable and your performance get boosted up.
Hope you got a better understanding of color psychology. What is color psychology? What is the neuroscience behind it? How it impacts us? And what is the application of color psychology? Well, henceforth, choose the color of your clothing in such a way you want to be perceived by others. And also, choose your surrounding, your workstation, the color in such a way that you feel comfortable and your performance boosts because of that. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, please do share and subscribe. Thank you and thanks for watching.